Hey, what up, tubers? I got another video for you now. This video, as you know, a lot of applications are coming up missing on Android TV, Google TV, and of course, Amazon. And so it's a little safety procedure that I follow along with your traditional ones that everybody is showing you on YouTube that they do. But I'm going to take it an extra step further. Now, of course, the first thing you want to do is when you on your Google TV or your Android TV device, such as the NVIDIA Shield, on 4K, Google Streamer 4K, and of course the Buzz TV G Series box. You on any of those, including TiVo Stream 4K that's running Android TV OS. If you're on any of those devices, I really want you to pay attention. All right, we're gonna try your traditional one, your traditional way. But of course, when they send major updates, sometimes they turn this feature back on. And that's how they get back into your device. But I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna take it, like I said, I'm gonna take it an extra step further. And that way you will always have your app on your device, whether it's installed or not. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to the settings. Okay, go to settings, and then what you want to do is go to privacy. And I'm on Google TV right now. I'm on the on 4K Pro currently. So you want to go to the privacy. Go over, go down, and you see where it says security. And if this is on, you see scan apps with Play Protect, you want to turn that off. You want to make sure both of these right here are off. All right, they should be off. That's it. Just turn them off. That way they don't get up in here and start deleting your your application. So I'm gonna go back. Also, guys, I want you to check one more thing. Go to manage, and you see this auto update apps. I turn that off as well. I turn it off. That way, again, I don't want nothing on. This is just something I do. You don't have to do this, but this is a precaution that I do. And if I want to manually update, I can just go into see all updates. And look, it tells me I have 22 available updates. And if I wanted to update all of this right now, I sure can. All right, so let's get that clear. I can. And if you have some updates, go ahead. You can manually update and just hit update all, and you should be fine as well. Now, there's an application, and I'm gonna go into the Play Store. Play Store. Even though I have this application, I do want to show you. All right, and I'm gonna go up here to the search, and what it is called Explore. And you see it right there, guys. You see it right here. And so I'm going to just hit the back button one time, and I will click on it. And I already have it. You know, I can update it. Of course, that was part of the update that I have. But it's been sitting right here on my app row. And again, this is just something that I do. Okay? I don't think I saw any other YouTuber actually do this. But if you have the Explorer app, open it up. And what I want you to do is go over here to where it says Wi-Fi sharing. And if you have your apps, I always teach my people, always have your apps on a flash drive, have it in a folder on your computer. That way, if you need it, you can just drag and drop, or you can just send it to your device remotely, wirelessly, all of that. Okay. So, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this server on. So I'm going to highlight, as you see it, I'm going to highlight this right here. You see it right there? I'm going to turn it on, and it's going to give me a URL right here. And so with that URL, what's that, 192? What's that, 1.15.1111? All right? And so I'm going to just use this right here. And I'm going to go 192.168.1.15. What's the rest? Colon 111. I'm going to go colon 1111. And as you see right here, okay, as you see right here, this is my on 4K Pro, as you see right here at the top. And I do have a couple of applications that I have right here in front of me. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take USB camera, and you're going to see me drop it inside of the download folder. It's highlighted in green right there. And you see it down here, and it went through. And I'm going to add internet speed test, even though I know I can get internet speed test from the Play Store, but I'm going to just put it over here in the download folder. And there you have it. So I'm going to go back to the device. This is the on 4K. I'm going to go back. And so I'm going to go over here where it says internal shared storage. I'm going to drop that down, and I'm going to go down here to my download folder. Because remember, that's what I presented it. That's where I staged it at. That's where it should be. So I should see USB camera, and I should see internet speed test. And so when I open it, here it is right here. All right, I got internet speed test, and check this out. I can click on it, and I can install it. Again, nah, I'm declining it. And you see how they always try to trick you to turn it on? I'm not going to turn it on. I'm going to hit done. And then I'm going to go down here to USB camera. And I'm going to install it. And you see it's done. If you ever get that one message that just came up, decline it. You don't need it because you don't want to turn it on. And I'm going to hit done. And so what I'm going to do out here, it should be back here. Internet speed test is right there. And where's my USB camera? Let me go up here in my settings, because that is a application for your camera. And so I'm going to go to my apps, and I'm going to see all. And let's see if it is on here. And there it is right there. So if I wanted to load it, again, these are one of the applications that you can actually install your webcam on and actually record. I mean, it's really, really nice. That's why they really don't want it out there on the road. But there's applications. If you need it, there are applications that you can actually present it out there on your row. And so again, right there, right? And so if I wanted to perform this test right here, I can go up in internet speed test, click on it right quick. Oh, don't tell me this. Let me see if I have to update it, because it's probably an older version. Play Store. And that's probably what it is. I probably got to update it. And I can just, let me do this, internet. And there you have it right here. And so I'm going to do an update. Because again, I grabbed this out of one of my folders. Like one of my folders from like probably a year ago. That was just staged on my computer. And so it's doing the update. And I'll open it up from there. And there you have it right here. And so I can test it out. Again, sometimes it be like that. I'm like, man, why is it not opening it up? And sometimes applications, depending on how old it is, it will not open up. And so I'm doing my speed test. Got some pretty nice speeds right here on this device. But I'm going to show you something. This is the key. I'm going to show you something. Hang in there. Just hang in there. I'm going to show you something. And one thing I always do. Here's the this. We're about to land this plane right now. Okay. Check this out. Now I'm gonna go back, and so this will come from your third-party applications, everything. That's why I love Explorer. I'm gonna go up in here, and I'm gonna go to apps, and I want to see all apps. And I'm gonna go down here to internet. I'm going to uninstall it. So let's just say if they send the update through, right, and they uninstalled it. You come in like, where's my application? And then you go down here to USB and you uninstall it. Guess what? All right, you come in, you like, hey man, where's my internet speed test or where's my third-party application? If it's gone, it's not fully gone. Just go back into your Explorer and guess what? You have it there and you have it there. All right? And it will always be on your device. That's why I love this application. So again, even though we turned off Protect Play and auto update and all of that stuff, we turned all of that stuff off. They could send an update through, guys. I have saw it. They could send an update through, and guess what? All of this will be turned back on. When you go into the privacy and you go into your security, I done saw it where everything is on. Everything is on. So again, just kind of monitor that. Check that like once a week and things like that. Or if there's a major update, always double check your security. But use that Explorer app. Even though if they uninstall it, it'll still be right there on the Explorer app where you can just go to it and you can just, reinstall it. And just do it, boom, and be done with it. Now, again, this is the older model, so you're going to have to update it depending on what it is. And it tells you right there, look at that, June 7th. I put this on last year, almost a year ago, and I can go right back here and install this application. And you should be good to go. Hey, let me know your thoughts. Is this something that you're going to use, you're going to implement? All right, this is something that I haven't saw any YouTuber present to you. And again, that's just what I do. Always think outside the box. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Also share this video because this video right here will help somebody who's using an Android TV operating system and a Google TV operating system. Also, again, share it, thumbs up the video, click that bell, select all, and you will get videos just like this showing you how to get around certain features that are presented to us in a negative way. All right, because I believe when we buy our device, it is ours. We should be able to do whatever we wanted to do to it and then call it the day. All right, if you agree, leave it in the comments. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you're going to use this. Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thanks, guys. Y'all be safe. And this is Superdell signing out. Peace.